It is the end of the year, and as such, car show season is coming to a halt. But there is one last car show that proves to be just lovely, and that is the JDM Tenors Meet here in Utah. And while my Sentra is not ready to go, I'm ready to go. Let's go. So we're early. That's my buddy's town car. I'm gonna make him move. We got a Celica GT4 and then a fucking Evo Lancer. Nothing upside down on the wing though, if you know.
It's the same kind of thing fighter pilots used to do when they shot down other planes. Looks pretty sharp, huh?
If you know, you know. Oh yeah. God damn, dude. Look at the size of those brakes. Holy cannoli. It's an Evo 4, I guess. That's cool. Damn, dude. What does that hole go to?
Well, we know that's for.
That's big for both of us combined, brother. Oh, it has like the 3000 GT little things. Yeah.
We got intake. Look, another one.
Oh my gosh, it has a little baby spoiler right here.
Yeah. Wow.
What the?
Those are all just like heat exchangers. It's got a water and air in it.
Is this yours?
No.
Oh.
It's his. I just love these.
Oh, okay.
I have
Okay.
the generation before it.
Oh, cool. Okay.
It had a misfire and this was.
Oh, it's a Toyota. Just, you know.
I love these.
Look at these cool lights. Dude, we got boned on the American ones of these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it has like little spats down here too to protect the fender, like not mud flaps. Look at these. They're just like little mud flaps. And then look, they have a mud flap down in here. They have a little baby one. That's for when you're drifting. Yeah.
That's actually super cool.
Well, no, it's an all-wheel drive. It's a rally car.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Literally GT4 rally car, RC. Wow.
Wow.
That's what she said.
Yeah, but I actually say that these things
Oh my gosh, it has vents in the brakes, or the turn signals.
Whoa.
Wow. I've actually never been this close to a Japanese one of these, so this is rowdy to me.
Okay.
It's a Japanese one.
Yeah,
I
right.
didn't realize it.
FBI. It's probably a lock,
Yeah.
like to lock the plate on or something.
It goes in there and it clicks.
What is that, everybody? What kind of car is this? A Japan car. Got the bi-wing on it.
What the heck is that? Is he a driver or a pilot?
Just went to Walmart, but we're back and it looks like some things are showing up. That's a rotary. Whoa.
Hey, wait a minute.
Is this a 1.3?
1.6.
1.6 turbo.
Yeah.
So a Miata engine pretty much, right?
Much, yeah.
Dude, hell yeah.
Lower compression because it does have the turbo.
Yeah, little baby turbo down there. Heck yeah. It's so funny because like this is one of those, like we could have had this, but no, we got a carbureted
Yeah.
1 liter whatever 323.
Yeah.
And then they were like, well, there's a cool version of this. You just can't have it. Wow.
There's one for sale in Riverton right now, but they pulled the motor. They tried to throw a GTR motor in it.
A GTR?
Yeah.
Like a Nissan GTR?
No,
Oh.
323.
Oh, okay, okay. Sorry, I'm not really up on my Mazda stuff. Wow, this is a crazy little rig, dude. Wow. Is this a Mazda speed for one of these? No way.
There's some super cool.
Wow.
These headlights and tail lights are all European.
Wow.
The bumper.
Wow. So the TUV on this, the TUV, that would be like the Australian safety certification, correct?
Yeah.
Wow. Dude, what a well-sorted little rig. Holy cow. Wow. This Mazda speed part right here, that's got me like excited. That's so cool to me. It's got the little Mazda steering wheel in there. Sunroof. Dude, double spoilers. Dude. Oh. This is, fuck, dude, Dominic Toretto can't let us have anything nice. Got all the Porsches showing up here. Dude, is he supposed to be here? I feel like this isn't. Oh, look at this. Holy shit. It's like a $250,000 Porsche right there. Yeah. A lot of car, yeah. I think that's a 914 or something. Yeah, those are God wheels, I'm pretty sure. GOT. Fun fact, there's a film actress named after them too. They just name them after luxury stuff. Things they can't afford, you know? What a thing, holy cow. Oh, is that a Sunny over there? Oh yeah. All right, we gotta go look at some other stuff. Oh wow, listen to that. Yeah. So this has got a rotary in it too. Look at the Watanabes on it, dude. Look at those wheels. So these Watanabe wheels, they're handmade.
Are those like the wheels that Takumi has?
Yeah. Well, Takumi's dad. Takumi ain't got shit. He's a pussy. Oh, sorry, bud. I'm like in your light. Go crazy. So what kind of power does something like this make? What?
Dude, what did you do to the iron? I know that's a turbo 2 engine.
Did you say 450? What?
It's got power.
Yeah. Did you do like, not, did you do the dowels?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I want to do with mine, is I want to do the dowels.
So I think the Ford Courier is based on the Mazda pickup. Yeah, so they bought like the Mazda chassis, so that I think they have a Ford drivetrain in them. Wow, look at the little 6-lug wheels.
It's all Mazda.
Yeah, okay.
Yep. So right there, Mazda.
Oh,
That's what's great about it.
Ford, made in Japan.
Yep, it's a captive import.
Dude, there you go. Heck yeah.
So that's why I kind of like the submersiveness of it, you know?
But I like how they spent a lot of time getting used, huh? Right there above the radiator blow off, huh?
Yeah, exactly right. I just picked this up in July and I haven't touched it.
Dude, it looks killer. The paint is amazing. You didn't do any paint work to it?
Nope.
Wow.
I wiped it. It's been dusty in my garage. I wiped it down.
Oh gosh, the smell, dude. I love the smell. So what motor is this?
It's a 1.8. Mazda 1.8.
Okay. Wow,
In
what
fact,
a crazy
that's what they call the Mazda version of this. Has a different grille and a different tailgate. Everything else is exactly the same.
Wow.
And it's called a 1800.
Okay.
So let's see here.
Oh, a Datsun 720, right? Yeah. 620.
That's actually my old took America by storm. So
Okay.
America, they took them by surprise. And America's like, we need a small truck. Quick, Mazda, make us a small truck. This is Ford. So
Look at the angle. God, these colors are freaking amazing.
Yeah. There was wasn't Harvest Gold that I was looking at, and then when I found this, I'm like, you can go over a little bit.
This is a 510. This is what became the Sentra. Yeah, so... Oh shit, is this a fucking ITB SR?
Okay.
Oh, even better. Yeah. Screw those $6,000 engines.
Exactly. I'll take my $500 deal.
Yeah, dude. This is a 240 motor. Yeah.
KA?
Yeah.
No, somebody has
Oh. Another 510. And AE86 tofu delivery. Ashley. Little notchback. Oh my gosh, that's a smiley bumper. God damn, dude.
Slowly, I've been
Oh. Literally, like, look at that, and then look at that. Just like the two of those next to each other. Look at the freaking, just that body line right there, and then right there. Yeah, sir, you get a park over there, general admission. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It's over, buddies. The hockey sucku. The hockey sucku, dude? Oh. No, dude, you're right next to an R33.
Is that an AMC Eagle?
What? That brown car? Oh no, it's a Celica. That's the one that came after mine, so. Yeah, there's no AMC Eagles over there. There's the Skyline, and then, I mean, mid-70s sporty coupes, right? Let's see, what are you? A Datsun? Is that a 510 behind it? Oh my god. We get it. Nobody's paying attention to you because you're not this. Oh yeah. Is that a dealer plate? Look at this little boy, dude. Hell yeah. 510, buddy. Celica. No, I like all of them. I'm a little bit elitist about some things, but like yeah. Oh. Oh my god, I knew it was an 18RG. Oh my gosh.
What's the significance of this motor?
Well, it has two camshafts. Start there.
Right.
Yeah. ITBs, so two carburetors, but 4 Venturis, 1 per cylinder. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, that's a JZ in that. One JZ. You can leave it open if you want. It's okay. Oh no, I'm just telling you. Don't be embarrassed. It's okay. I'll come right back. Why does it say snap? Oh my gosh, long chance. I mean, the minute you popped it, I was like, there it is. So it's did this come with the car or no?
I think it is the original engine of the car.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. 18RG. Wow. And so, wow. So what have you done to this car?
It's not my car. It's mine.
Oh.
But he's done. This was actually a SEMA car at one point.
Really?
It was in pretty good shape. He
The difficult thing about carburetors is the metal goes away, you know, sometimes, especially with ethanol and stuff. So sometimes you just can't tune them, you know?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Look at the remote reservoir there. Wow. Ash, look at this little remote brake reservoir here. So it doesn't have it here. It's got it right there. Yeah. These huge copper fittings and stuff. Oh my gosh. I'm sure it did, yeah. I mean, he said this was a SEMA car at some point, so. Yeah. Well, look at the bronze radiator. Gee willikers, dude. Look at this fun little... Oh, so these like rotate inside of this little cup deal here. This is your car, right? Oh. Well, I'm gonna stop asking whose this is then. Oh, okay. It is, yeah. Oh, go ahead, you're good, go ahead. Gosh, look at the headers, dude. Equal length headers. Or equal length gas door on this. That's really cool. I don't really know how I feel about that. What do you think, Ash? Yeah. I feel like it's just like too many body lines in the one spot. Too many. Yeah. I mean, the Miata had it sort of like that. It had its own little drain, right, to go through. Huh. So this clearly has some stuff under it. Look at the shifter. So, and then look at the pedal box down there. Yeah, so those are like race car parts, so I'm sure this has some very interesting and special stuff in it. Also, look at the seats. I don't know. Probably just to keep a nice low profile, so, you know, sleeper, right? As much as Skyline can be a sleeper. I mean, they have like vintage racing days, I'm sure. So Ash, tell me, between these two, so you got the Supra here, and then the Celica, all-wheel drive, turbo, right? Rear-wheel drive, turbo, but a little more horsepower. What are you taking between these two?
I feel like logistically, I would probably drive that one a little easier, but I like the look of that one.
Oh yeah? You like this a lot more. Same. I've always wanted one of these. I want so many things, you know, and it's, how do you, oh my gosh, dude, they got the car seat like wedged in there. Look at the dashboard, it's a big juicy boy. Wow. So these are 1JZ. So the American ones are 7M, G, E, and stuff, but these are like 1JZs. Whoa, look at this Datsun with the soft top. Oh yeah, see there's a GE right there. Is that a 7M or a 5M? Probably a 5M. Yeah, so like you could really see like the Sentra's profile in this, you know? Yeah, because this is, I mean, I say became, but they really just built a whole new car and tried to make it look close. I mean, this is a rear-wheel drive Like this is like Nissan's AE86, like cheap economy rear wheel drive, amazing handling, amazing balance anyways. Gosh dang, look at the top though. I don't know how you feel about the top, Ash. Like I can see where the appeal might be.
Yeah.
Like Americana and everything, you know? Yeah.
Like, it's either a convertible or it's not, you know? Like, why would you say?
Well, I mean, on a Lincoln, like it makes sense, you know? It looks right, like the carriage top or whatever, I feel like. But I don't know, like this is, it's like an economy car. It's like having adaptive cruise control in this. It just doesn't make sense. You know what I mean? Like, yeah. But either way, it's a beautiful car. I'm super down. I love the shifter just popping right out of the door. Oh my gosh, it's got Datsun floor mats. Datsun. Oh, this doesn't even have a radio, dude. It probably has one in like a, oh yeah, there's nothing over here either. Yeah, how are you gonna have this top, but then no radio? Yeah.
Well, I guess, when did those become, like, even an option for
Like,
cars?
oh, I mean, they were an option all the time, I'm pretty sure. At least, I mean, back in the 30s or 20s, I'm sure. But, like, I mean,
those weren't
they're not a
standard
requirement. Yeah. Cool thing. It's a fucking GT-Yar. What does Pirate and Nissan have in common? They like GT-Yars. Yep. It's a carbon fiber. You're all right. Go on. What? Yep. So this is effectively the same chassis as the S14. Looks like the sheet metal's a little different, but you can see like the roof line and the rear window and stuff, where it's that like S14. It smells like JDM squash in there. Oh, you're fucking great, dude. Don't worry. Yeah. Evo 4 action. So this is RB25 motor. Turbo Neo. This is a Stasia. Oh, that's pretty neat. Oh, they got a little scar stub back there. I like the cargo net. That's pretty cool. So you can divide this up. Interesting. Look at the floor pattern, though. This is a Stasia. This is either an R33 or R34 chassis. So same as that car, but this is like the wagon version. I'm pretty sure this is an R34, though. Look at the tiny little brakes. Yeah, look at the funny little brakes in there. Well, this is a battery. It's just a Japanese one. Well, it's Japanese writing on a battery. Those are access ports. So you put the water in there. Yeah. Most batteries have something similar to that. It just looks different.
When you say you put the water in, are you talking about like our factory or our customers?
No, the factory. Yeah, so like they build them dry and then add water, deionized, I think, or something like that. Oh my gosh, the Blitz filter. Blitz was one of like the biggest like high quality aftermarket parts companies. Because it's a xenon headlight. That's the bulb technology, I guess. This is a Celica with a 1JZ GTE inner, twin turbo, I believe. Intake, exhaust, turbo. Certified, like, just kind of ratty, have funica. Look at all that. Headliner looks nice. Got roof racks on her. Oh, these are like aftermarket roof racks too, huh? That's pretty cool. I never noticed this like body line here. Look at that. Interesting. 84 maybe? 85? Oh yeah, like the brown one over there or the white one? Like my Celica or the hatchback over there? Oh, it's that close for you? Wow. Yeah, Watanabes were like the aftermarket wheels. Wow, I'm like surprised. Look how like that. I mean, it fits. It's tight. There's literally like a 1/4 inch of room here where I'm looking. Then they don't have their core support. This has probably got to be like a big. Yeah, a lot of people do that. Yeah, especially like aftermarket stuff, you know. Look at this, funny, I think this is probably a steering cooler. So it's just literally a tube that gets air blown on it to cool it off a tiny bit. Nothing crazy. It's got a Cusco. This is a cool little unit though. I mean, good for this guy. Then this is a 13B turbo, I believe. This little Mazda.
It's crazy that people have to say, please don't touch on their cars.
You ever seen those pictures of like kids crawling on cars at like car shows and shit? It's like, I'm not saying I want a roundhouse a kid, but like, you know, it scratched my pain. It's like the coolest kid over there. Wheels, yeah, dude. I love 6-spoke wheels, dude. No, you're good. Yeah. So Ash, these are some wheels that I was considering for the Sentra. They're the Kansei's 6 spokes. Not too bad, right? Yeah, good looking wheel. Kansei Tandem, I believe, or something. I'll find out. Oh, wheels are the whole fucking thing, dude. Yeah. If your wheels aren't right, the whole car is not right. Oh shit, Regamasters, dude. Wow. The NSX brakes and everything. So this is an Acura NSX. This was Honda's contribution to the horsepower wars in Japan. And they decided instead of doing turbos and all that stuff, they would go for balance. That means, God, his tail right there. That means that there's a front wheel drive drivetrain in the back right here. So you can see how all this is covered up. There's a V6 Honda motor in the back with CV axles and all that stuff. This is basically your big MR2, whatever, but they said, we're not dealing with Toyota, Mitsubishi, we're competing with Ferrari. Pretty cool.